Hello everyone, this is Kiri Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, we will be talking about how to manifest someone to miss you in 5 steps. So, if you like the video related to manifest power, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. How to manifest someone to miss you in 5 steps. Do you want to make someone miss you? Here's how to manifest someone to miss you in 5 steps. The biggest mistake when manifesting is to focus on what you don't want rather than what you do want. Instead of believing they miss you, you believe they don't miss you. This causes you to be stuck in negative energy like worry, depression, and loneliness. And the more negative you feel, the more resistance you create against the loving experiences that you actually want. If you want to make someone miss you, you have to lean into how good it feels to be missed. By cultivating the positive feelings of someone missing you, you will eventually make that experience your reality. Follow these 5 steps and manifest someone to miss you. The first one, describe how you want them to miss you. The first step to manifesting someone to miss you is to describe how you want them to miss you. As I teach in my manifestation course, the first step to manifesting anything is to get clear about what you want. Being crystal clear about what you want to manifest help you get into the feeling of that experience and attract into your reality. So take out your manifestation journal and write down the name of the person that misses you. Then write in detail about how he or she misses you. How do they really feel inside? What will they do about this feeling? How will they handle missing you? Describe the ideal scenario that you would like to manifest. The more details you write down, the easier it will be to achieve vibrational alignment with your desire and bring it into your reality. The second part, clarify why you want it. The second step to manifesting someone to miss you is to clarify why you want it. This step is very important because your energy creates your reality. And by the law of attraction, energies with similar vibration are drawn to each other. So by aligning your energy with the energy you want to experience, you will attract people, objects, and situations that are a vibrational match for you. To sum it all up, your energy determines whether you will attract the outcomes that you want or outcomes that you don't want. So for step 2, use the emotional guidance scale to clarify the energy that is backing up your desire. Ask yourself these questions to identify your intentions behind the desire. The first one, why do you want them to miss you? Second, how do you feel when you miss them? Third, does it feel good or bad to miss them? Your answers will tell you whether your energy is positive or negative. If you want them to miss you because you are stuck in low vibrational emotions like jealousy or fear of being alone, then you will receive negative outcomes that match your negative vibration. If you want them to miss you because you are inspired by high vibrational emotions like love and passion, then you will receive positive outcomes that match your positive vibration. The one thing you need to know about the law of attraction is to attract what you feel, not what you want. The third one, visualize them missing you. The first step to manifesting someone to miss you is to visualize them missing you right now. Start the visualization process by thinking about your specific someone. Imagine them missing you and the things they do as a result of missing you. After you have created a realistic picture in your mind, shift your attention towards the positive intention and emotions that are backing up your desire. Imagine their love and appreciation for you. Relive the happy memories you two had in the past. Think about how excited they are to reconnect with you. Sit in stillness and let this positive energy take over your body, mind, and spirit. You are going to want to remember these feelings and use it as your energetic point of reference. Instead of spiraling into negative emotion, channels positive energy whenever you miss them. Then it comes to the fourth part, recite affirmation. The fourth step to manifesting someone to miss you is to recite affirmation for love. Affirmation or positive statement you can see to gently replace your negative thought with more positive ones. To get started, choose any of the following affirmation that resonate with you and use them whenever you need to combat negative thought. The first one, I am worthy of receiving love. I'm willing to perceive the situation with love. I'm open to giving and receiving love. My positive energy is sexy and attractive. I attract loving relationship into my life. I am whole and complete right now. It feels good to be in love. I release the past and the future. I surrender my relationship to the universe. The key to using positive affirmation is to believe in them. Say each affirmation a few times and see which one resonate with you. That's all about the manifest power in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye-bye and take care.